Okay, here we are again.
Hello guys, we
Hello.
are Play Science Time.
Yeah. So we are trying to learn things and play, talking about science, and this is
And
second.
actually, last video we said some videos are actually going to do experiments.
Yeah. Today is a classical one.
It's a very easy one.
Yeah, it's like a vinegar.
Yeah, it's
Baking
kind of like
soda.
a volcano thing.
Yeah, it will react. So like it's chemistry. It's like mixing things, and when you put something together, it transforms and is another thing. Like this is vinegar is a kind of acid, acetic acid, and baking soda is a bicarbonate. So they are two things. Here is the chemistry formula for them. They react and produce another thing. Carbon dioxide.
Awesome. And also today we're going to make a simple thing. You can easily make this with vinegar and baking soda. And this, you want it to look a little bit cooler? It's a little bit of...
Yeah. Good idea. Yeah. To look like lava.
Yeah. So starting now.
Let's try. Do you want me to put or you?
Here, you can you put it? But then...
Okay.
Can you hold this?
Yes.
So now I need to...
Color?
Oh, yeah. A little bit of coloring.
You know, we are a little tricky because this vinegar is red, some kind of red. But yeah. So the baking soda.
Then we'll see you react.
Let's see it. Too much, maybe. It's coming.
It's coming up.
Wow.
Whoa. It's so awesome, guys.
Yeah. There's some smell.
Yeah, there is. It smells gross. It smells so gross.
Okay.
Now it's actually, we're actually going to make another experiment.
We can try the ice.
Oh. So, yeah.
Now, yeah.
So yeah, the air and the ice fight, but then the air warms up the air inside.
Yeah, hot water.
It warms up the air inside of the bottle, but the ice cools down the water.
The hot air
outside
will expand. The cold air will crush
the bottle.
That's dry.
It's dry.
You need some help for get hot water.
When you give hot water, make sure you ask the parent to do it or a grown up.
Okay, it's hot.
It's very hot.
So we
With the ice.
wait a little.
Where's the ice?
Where's the ice?
Okay.
Okay, we are looking now for some cold water with ice.
It's water now.
Because then
it's a little bit of water.
The air inside of it is expanding. But now you can do this.
Let's see if it happens. Here it goes. It's now or never.
So we have some ice here.
That's my study.
Let's see if it works. It's working.
It's working. Oh, it's working. It's working.
The cold air is now. First it was expanding, now it's contracting.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is so awesome, right, guys?
So what about you? You don't like this? Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, I think it's working.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are
Wasting his time.
Yeah.
Just so you don't remember. And make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, so you can get more motivation. Can continue to do this, right?
Yes.
Like 1 week, 1 per week,